Hey folks, welcome back to Dr. K, where we expose the truth behind everyday health concerns that nobody's talking about. Today we're tackling a device that sits in almost every kitchen across America, your microwave. Ever popped something in the microwave and wondered, is this radiation-blasted food slowly killing me? You're not alone. With over 90% of American homes using microwaves daily, this question is more important than ever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's happening inside that mysterious box and whether you should be worried or not. Let's get into it. All right, let's cut through the fear and get to the facts. Your microwave uses something called electromagnetic radiation to heat food. Sounds scary, right? But hold on. Before you throw your microwave out the window, you need to understand the difference between types of radiation. There are two types of radiation in this world. First, there's ionizing radiation, the dangerous kind found in nuclear plants and X-rays. This is the stuff that can damage your DNA and potentially cause cancer with enough exposure. Then there's non-ionizing radiation, which is what your microwave uses. This type is drastically weaker and simply doesn't have the power to change the molecular structure of your food in harmful ways. So when people say radiation in your food, they're creating fear without understanding the science. But wait, there's more to this story than just radiation. Let me break down the real risks you should be aware of. Danger. Number 1. Superheated liquids. This is a legitimate concern. When you heat liquids in the microwave, they can become superheated, going beyond boiling point without actually bubbling. The moment you disturb that liquid, boom, it can explode, causing serious burns. I've seen this happen firsthand, and trust me, it's not something you want to experience. Danger number 2. Plastic contamination. Here's where things get serious. Those plastic containers you're reheating your leftovers in, they might be leaching harmful chemicals into your food. BPA and phthalates can disrupt your hormones and potentially cause serious health issues down the road. The solution? Use glass or ceramic containers only. This simple switch could save your health in the long run. Danger number 3. Uneven cooking. Microwaves don't heat evenly, which creates cold spots where dangerous bacteria can survive. This is especially dangerous when heating baby formula or milk. Those cold spots can harbor bacteria while other parts are scalding hot. For babies, always heat milk the old-fashioned way on the stove, and for everything else, stir halfway through cooking. Danger number 4. Nutrient loss. Here's something they don't tell you on the box. Microwaving can destroy up to 97% of certain antioxidants in vegetables. While all cooking methods reduce nutrients somewhat, microwaving with water is particularly destructive to water-soluble vitamins like B and C. If nutrition is your goal, steaming is much better. Danger. Number 5. Faulty microwaves. An old or damaged microwave can leak radiation levels higher than what's considered safe. If your microwave is ancient or the door doesn't close properly, it's time for an upgrade. The FDA regulates these appliances, but they can't check the one sitting in your kitchen right now. So, is microwaved food unsafe? The answer is not black and white. The radiation itself isn't making your food toxic or radioactive. That's a myth. But there are legitimate concerns about how you use your microwave. Here are my top tips for safer microwave use. Never microwave in plastic. Always stir food halfway through heating. Stand at least 3 feet away while it's running. Replace your microwave every 5 to 7 years. Use the microwave for reheating only, not cooking from scratch. So there you have it. The truth about microwaves. Not as dangerous as fearmongers claim, but not completely risk-free either. What do you think? Will you change how you use your microwave after watching this? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more health truths nobody else is talking about. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on how do you stop muscle cramps. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay informed, stay healthy.